Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to place a guide in Illustrator so you can align your objects and designs with precision. Step 1. First, make sure your rulers are visible. Go to the View menu and select Rulers, then Show Rulers, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. The rulers help you drag guides accurately onto your artboard. Step 2. Click on either the horizontal or vertical ruler, then drag onto your artboard to place a guide. You can position it exactly where you need it, and it will stay visible as a non-printable alignment tool. To move it later, just select the guide with the selection tool and drag it to adjust its position. Step 3. To lock your guides so they don't move accidentally, go to the View menu and choose Guides, then Lock Guides. You can also hide guides temporarily by selecting Hide Guides from the same menu. Step 4. If you want to remove a guide, simply select it with the selection tool and press Delete. You can place as many guides as you need to create perfect alignment for your designs. Thank you for watching Techie Dialogue, and don't forget to subscribe for more Illustrator tips and tutorials.